Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto your post within the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Proceed forward with your email address or your username and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to upload a video to your post, just tap on the Create Post icon at the bottom right corner. You will now be able to create your post. If you wish to enter any caption, you can type it in as your post. And now, in order to upload a video, you can either use your camera to capture a video right away, or you may also upload a video from your gallery. Tap on any option that you wish, and once you have chosen your desired video, it will begin uploading to the Bluesky application right away. It is now time to enter your desired caption and finalize it. And once you are done editing your post, you can tap on the post icon at the top right corner, and this will now upload your post and add it to your feed right away. And now your followers will be able to see this post on your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upload a video onto your Bluesky post. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.